Hey Wolfpack, welcome to the pack period today. I'm just going to give a quick intro of what you're going to be doing in the pack period. We've kind of got a checklist of stuff that we got to do because we have a few small things that we're going to do. So moving on, first thing is your teacher is going to play this video for you, and it's an introduction to a great opportunity for you guys. On next Tuesday, there will be a poetry workshop. You have to sign up for it. Space is limited. Ms. Wiedmeyer will tell you a little bit more about it. Once we finish that, there's two Google Forms that we need you to do. The first one is pretty much to vote for this year's Alpha Wolf or mascot. So this Google form here, your teacher will provide a link to you somehow, but it'll take us to this form here, and we will vote on different student artworks of different wolves, right? And so you may notice I've been using this wolf here on a lot of things. This was drawn last year. So this was last year's Alpha Wolf mascot winner. This year, it'll be one of these four wolves here, and you guys will vote for it. So option 1, 2, 3, 4, you pick which one you want, submit. That one's done. You can check that off your checklist. The next one that's on here is the elective request survey, which is super important. So you'll fill out the elective courses you would like to be in next trimester. If you don't fill this out, we'll have to put you in classes that we think you'll like. But if you fill this out, then we'll know what you're interested in, and we'll try and get you in those classes. You'll just put your first name, last name, first choice. You'll select what you want. Second choice, select what you want, and the same with the third. Make sure you pick all three, just because sometimes, depending on what classes you need, it doesn't work out that you get your first choice or your third or second. So we want to have options for you. So fill those two things out. If you are interested, item number 3, in the poetry workshop, let your teacher know, because you have to sign up for it, because again, space is limited. You'll do credit check number 4, and that's where we've got that sheet that we've done. This will be the 4th time we've worked on it. You'll go through your gradebooks and Schoology, just update how many credits you have in each class. And then the last item today is a little bit of an introduction into a pretty basic time management goal setting method, and it's a checklist, right? I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I carry this around with me almost everywhere I go, and I make checklists of the things that I have to do, because the reality is if I don't write it down, there's a good chance I'll forget. Because if I don't have a list of something written down of what I need to do or what I want to do, then I'm really left to what I feel like doing in the moment. And most of the time, we don't feel like doing the things that we need to do. We feel like doing the things that are easy to do. So I make a list, and that keeps me on track. And I want you guys to give it a shot today. So if you're missing any credits in any of your classes, pick one of those classes, go through the assignments in the grade book, find which ones you're missing, and make a checklist. Just focus on one class, but try and get at least one more credit in that class, because the trimester is real quick, and we want to get everything we can. All right, I'm going to turn it over to your teachers. Have a good pack period. I'll see you around.